Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make vegan Halloween cupcakes. My channel is called Lily and Peony. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The full ingredients list is in the description box below. I made my batter and split out 1/3 of it. To the 1/3, I add some orange coloring. I add orange gel coloring. Make sure if you add liquid coloring, you need to be careful not to thin out your batter too much. Once I got the color I wanted, to the bigger portion, I also added chocolate and coffee to it. Then I layered it on my cupcake and I use a toothpick to gently swirl it and mix it together to create a orange and chocolate marble pattern. I repeated the same process for all my cupcakes. Once my cupcakes are baked, I moved on to the decoration. The first decoration that I'm doing is an orange and purple swirl. I'm using a 1M Wilton tip here. Then I add some black sprinkles onto the cupcakes. The second pattern is done using a Wilton 4B piping tip. I swirl that around my cupcakes, and then again I added some sprinkles on top to decorate. I picked out the black ones specifically for this. The last cupcake is a very simple decoration. I wanted to show that you don't need to have tips or any special tools, and you can still make really cute cupcakes. So I just put a bit of white buttercream, flatly put it on top of my cupcake. Then I have some black gel color. With that, I'm using a toothpick and freehand drawing it onto my buttercream. The effect is a little rustic, but I actually really liked it because it was so easy and it's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.